Listen, we got folks here with decades of diamond mine experience in education, and we got brand new leaders that still smell like baby powder. I mean, brand new. That wide-eyed, this thing's about to start look. And yet, I'm going to teach you to the highest level of the standard, and I'm going to scaffold as appropriate. I don't have a low group version of this. I don't have a you on the cusp of achieving a version of this. I don't have a gifted version of this. I teach you like you're gifted. And then I'm going to give you my contact information. If you want to reach out for anything, any kind of clarification, I'm going to be available to you. But I know we're all going to do better if I teach to the highest level of the standard so that everybody can grab on to something. So our folks with decades of experience can have an opportunity to have their great work either validated or hear something new that awakens them. And for our newer folks, just something they can grab on and have it be an anchor.